Okay, here's a video of the teardown of the 2003 Suzuki RM125. Unfortunately, I did not record a video of the actual teardown, but I did take some pictures, so here's a slideshow. Okay, first picture in and already halfway finished. Looks like I've already removed the plastics, seat, rear wheel and tire, handlebars. Here's some parts in a pile on the floor of the garage. Some will not be reused, some will with some heavy modification. Okay, here's a couple of pictures for documentation purposes only, to help me figure out the routing of cables, hoses, wires, stuff like that. Fortunately, no longer needed as a result of the acquisition of the service manual. And here's the infamous JB welded head, one of the main reasons for the good price point on this thing. Okay, making good progress here. Looks like I'm nearing completion. Engine still in the frame though. And here's another picture just for documentation purposes, and again, not needed. And here's what's left of the swing arm bearings. It's a good indicator of things to come. Okay, it looks like everything's pretty well been torn apart at this point. Engine's still in the frame though. And the engine's now finally out of the frame. Looks like that's it for teardown. And here's another picture just for documentation purposes. Looks like somebody had done some repair to the right-hand radiator. Here's one of the tabs where the seat mounts to the subframe with a nut jammed into an oversized hole. So that's it. I know I could have documented that a lot better, but at the time I was more interested in getting the job done than creating content. So there it is for what it's worth.